Carthago S Plus motorhome, and we're going to take it out right now. So let's have a quick look at this motorhome before we start going anywhere. Kitchen, okay, we've got 3 burners here, sink, bit of prep room. Of course, you've got the table as well to do your prep. You've got some wonderful drawers down here, deep, well made, great colour as well. Obviously the colour's a matter of taste, and plenty of storage as well up here. Oh, sorry. Look at that, plenty of room here. And I do like a little bit of a glass display as well. It gives a touch of elegance and smartness to the van. Of course, the glasses are well protected in there, they won't smash up. Let's come back into the bedroom. In this case, we've got a queen bed, we've got a huge garage under it, but look at the size of the bed. Even for particularly tall people, they should be okay in here. And also, we'll have a quick look at the headroom. As you can see, we have in here, look, I'm 175, so you've got here what, about 190 headroom in here. So there's plenty of room for even particularly tall people. Either side of the bed, we've got hanging space. It's quite deep inside. Very elegant bedroom. Oh, and we can even open, get a bit more light in. Now, another thing I need to say is about what's it like driving in winter. This year we're very lucky. Today's the 16th of January and it's raining, it's not snowing, so I'm quite happy with that. 7 degrees centigrade. But look, we've got a double floor, and another benefit of a double floor is storage under the floor. I can open up. This one here is particularly large. There we go. Got also the water down there if you need to drain. I mean, for putting the van away for winter or something, you will need to drain it. That goes for all vans, not just this one. Now, around the table, got these very luxurious chairs, very comfortable. There's an extra bed here. If you've been watching my films, you'll know I don't like an extra bed because it takes away headroom. So instead, you can get these cabinets all the way around. You get more storage and more headroom in the van. Makes more sense. I know there's an argument, and I will repeat it, that if you want to sell the van sometime in the future, it's worth more with the extra bed. That is the theory. But think of this, you're using it yourself, and if there's only 2 of you, get the storage lockers. And that's speaking from my experience. And never mind if you're going to sell it in the future or not. Let's take it out. So the vehicle feels much heavier than that of the Fiat. This is an Iveco, and it is perhaps a more quality build than the Fiat. I'll have to raise my voice a little bit because it's, as you can hear, there's heavy rain outside. But better rain than snow, I always say. And when there's rain, it's always a good time to try the car out. Because, or I should say the van out. Because it gives you a better idea of handling. This is what I have termed in the past a chunky ride. You feel the contact with the road, which is, in weather like this, a good thing. It's got an automatic gearbox, which for those of us who are not used to it, it takes a little bit of getting used to. It's almost as though the vehicle's in control of the motor rather than I am. But I know that most people want automatic. The overwhelming majority of people want automatic gearboxes. In fact, I'm the only person in the world who doesn't want an automatic gearbox. Now, one thing I've noticed as well with the automatic gearbox is the gear changes are quite low. Often you find with automatic gearboxes is the gear changes tend to be high. Now we just had a gear change at the bottom of this bridge as I go up, and which I noticed I didn't change when I was in the manual.